I live in Wimberley and I work in South San Antonio, so my typical commute is anywhere from an hour to an hour and a half. On days that we have construction or there's an accident on the highway, it can take more than 2 hours for me to actually get to campus. So I listen to a lot of podcasts and audiobooks, and sometimes just crank up the radio. My name is Sara Weaver and I am a biology lecturer here at A&M San Antonio. I was born and raised in Dallas, moved to the San Marcos area to go to school at Texas A&M University in 2009. My typical day at A&M San Antonio, I usually start off with answering a lot of emails, getting ready to lecture for the day. I teach anywhere from 2 to 4 classes in a single day. I teach a variety of courses here. I teach the General Biology 2, which is organismal lectures and labs. I also teach ecology, wildlife management, and ornithology. So many of our field labs take students out to teach them about the natural world, including learning about phyllotaxy and leaf arrangement of plants, how to identify species, as well as the coevolution of certain pollinators with their flowering plants. Okay, and what does that tell you? Is this a simple or a compound leaf?
Oh, that is
I think we have a very unique and diverse student body here at A&M San Antonio. We are 60% female and more than 70% Hispanic and first-generation students. And there tends to just be this atmosphere of appreciation for the opportunity to pursue a higher education degree. I always knew that I wanted to work with wildlife, but I don't think I realized that bats might be a path for me until I saw the bat emergence at the Congress Avenue Bridge in Austin when I was younger. I was so fascinated that these animals were living in the middle of the city, surrounded by people and cars and thriving and doing so well. And the more I learned about them, the more interested I became. And they're such unique animals. They're the only mammals that are capable of flight. They provide numerous ecosystem services such as insect control, seed dispersal, pollination, and yet they're very misunderstood and maligned. And I've always kind of had a passion for the species of greatest conservation need that need advocacy, need people to stand up for them. I learned about NRG Systems Bat Deterrent technology from my collaborator and committee member, Chris Hine, who's the former director of wind energy at Bat Conservation International, is now with the National Renewable Energy Laboratory. I asked him to join my committee for my dissertation, knowing that I wanted to work on wind energy impacts on bats populations. So I became the project lead for my dissertation research. We were investigating the use of ultrasonic acoustic technology for reducing bat fatalities. Climate change is the largest threat facing millions of species across the globe. And in order to combat climate change, we need renewable energy. So I think these partnerships like those I had with my research are really important to further our common agenda of reducing climate change impacts, increasing renewable energies while also reducing the impacts to the species.